Welcome back to today. We're diving into one of Indonesia's most beloved and flavorful dishes, Ikan Pepes. If you've never heard of it, you're in for a treat. Ikan Pepes is a dish where fish is marinated in spices, wrapped in banana leaves, and steamed or grilled to perfection. But what makes this dish truly unique? Stay tuned as we cook and explore some fascinating, lesser-known facts about this iconic Indonesian meal. Ikan Pepes, or Pepes ikan, is a traditional Indonesian dish that features fish marinated in a vibrant mix of spices and herbs, then wrapped in banana leaves and either steamed or grilled. Originating from West Java, this dish is famous for its aromatic flavors, where the fish absorbs all the spices while being slowly cooked in its natural juices. The banana leaf not only seals in the flavors but also imparts a subtle, earthy aroma to the fish. Ikan Pepes has its roots in Sundanese cuisine from West Java. Traditionally, this dish was cooked using the freshest ingredients straight from nature. The Sundanese people are known for their love of fresh vegetables and herbs, which is reflected in the rich flavor of Ikan Pepes. What's fascinating is that the cooking technique used in Pepes, where food is wrapped and steamed in banana leaves, has been around for centuries, even before modern cooking equipment was introduced. One of the unique elements of Ikan Pepes is the use of banana leaves. But did you know that banana leaves aren't just for presentation? They play a crucial role in the cooking process. The leaves help seal in moisture and prevent the fish from drying out while it's cooking. They also give off a subtle, natural aroma that enhances the flavor of the fish. In ancient times, banana leaves were used as a natural, eco-friendly alternative to cooking pots and pans. While Ikan Pepes is enjoyed year-round, it holds a special place during Indonesian festivals and family gatherings. In rural villages, this dish is often made during weddings, harvest festivals, or religious events, where large quantities are prepared for guests. Cooking Ikan Pepes is seen as an act of celebration and unity, bringing people together to share a communal meal. Another interesting fact about Ikan Pepes is its versatility. While traditionally made with freshwater fish like mackerel, gourami, or tilapia, many regions in Indonesia use different kinds of fish depending on availability. In coastal areas, people often use saltwater fish like snapper or tuna. This adaptability makes Ikan Pepes a dish that varies from region to region, each with its own unique flavor twist. Now, let's see how to prepare Ikan Pepes. For the marinade, we'll need fresh ingredients like garlic, shallots, lemongrass, turmeric, coriander, and chili peppers. These are blended into a thick, aromatic paste. Once the fish is cleaned, we'll coat it generously with the paste, making sure every part is covered with these amazing flavors. Host demonstrates the marination process, rubbing the spice paste onto the fish. Many of the spices used in Ikan Pepes, such as turmeric, coriander, and cumin, have a long history tied to the Indonesian spice trade. These spices were once considered valuable commodities and were traded across Asia and Europe. In fact, the peppercorns and turmeric used in this dish were some of the most sought-after spices during the height of the spice trade era, making Indonesia an important player in global culinary history. Once the fish is marinated, it's time to wrap it in banana leaves. Wrapping the fish is a crucial step, as the banana leaves lock in moisture, creating a natural steaming effect as the fish cooks. Traditionally, Ikan Pepes is both steamed and grilled. Steaming ensures the fish stays tender and moist, while grilling gives it a delicious, slightly charred aroma. Host shows the fish being steamed and then placed on the grill. Though Ikan Pepes originated in West Java, there are many regional variations across Indonesia. In Bali, for example, they add kemangi, a type of local basil, which gives the dish a fresh and herbal flavor. In some parts of Sumatra, they make it spicier by adding more chili. This diversity in preparation methods and flavors showcases the culinary richness of Indonesia. After steaming and grilling, our Ikan Pepes is ready. Just look at that, moist, tender fish infused with all the amazing flavors from the spices and banana leaves. Let's plate this up and give it a try. Host takes a bite of the fish. The flavor is out of this world. The fish is perfectly cooked, and the spices have really seeped into every bite. The banana leaf adds a subtle earthy aroma, making this dish a true Indonesian delicacy. One little known fact about Ikan Pepes is that the use of banana leaves as a cooking tool is an eco-friendly practice that has been around for centuries. It's a sustainable method, as banana leaves are biodegradable, renewable, and abundant in tropical regions like Indonesia. Before plastic and aluminum foil, this was the go-to wrapping material in traditional Indonesian kitchens. Over the years, Ikan Pepes has slowly gained international attention. This dish is now being featured in global food festivals and Indonesian restaurants around the world. Chefs have started introducing this dish to new audiences, giving people outside of Indonesia a taste of authentic Sundanese cooking. Ikan Pepes is more than just a meal, it's a reflection of Indonesia's rich culinary heritage. With its fresh ingredients, unique cooking techniques, and deep cultural significance, it's a dish that everyone should experience. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend giving it a go. You'll love how simple yet flavorful it is. One fascinating aspect of Ikan Pepes is its pre-colonial origins. Long before Indonesia was influenced by European colonizers, the native people used local ingredients and techniques, such as cooking with banana leaves. The use of banana leaves to steam and grill food was common across the archipelago, making Ikan Pepes one of the most authentic pre-colonial dishes that still remains a favorite today. Ikan Pepes also serves as a symbol of Indonesia's deep connection to agriculture and fishing. The fresh fish used in the dish is sourced from local rivers and lakes, while herbs like lemongrass, turmeric, and kaffir lime are grown in home gardens. This reflects Indonesia's farm-to-table culinary tradition, where the ingredients are sourced locally, ensuring freshness and sustainability. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the delicious world of Ikan Pepes and some of the fascinating facts behind it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other dishes you'd like me to feature next.